Hello everyone, it's the Queenfish, and I have a special video to share with all of you. And I'm gonna share a few moments that may tug at your heartstrings, but there's a reason for it. And basically, you know what? I'm gonna let you watch it, and then I will tell you why I had you watch all that at the end. Okay? All right.
Hey, guess who it is? It's me again. As promised, give you an update. Today I had my first radiation treatment. Got my trusty escort with me, my bodyguard. Uh, so the tumor it is growing. Hurts a little more. I see it, baby. Hurts a little more. I do get a little more fatigue, and you can hear a little more strain in my voice. But other than that, I'm still fine.
Yes,
Fine. I
you
mean, I'm
are.
doing okay. I am fine. I'm fine. But other than that, I still feel good. Lost 5 pounds, so that's not good.
No bueno.
So we're going off to get something to eat now because I am hungry.
I shared just a few clips, just to let you get a small glimpse as to what Kingfish has experienced, at least in the last, wow, 3-4 years. So the footage that I shared and the pictures that I shared was from his first bout with throat cancer. And so he had throat cancer, he went through chemo, radiation. Well, one other thing that I didn't share with you was that the radiation compromised his veins, I guess that's the easiest way to say it, is his veins. Therefore, his carotid artery burst, ruptured. He had basically had an aneurysm. We were at home. He was in the kitchen, not trying to, because he can cook and he can bake. He says he's not a baker, but he can bake. He was baking banana nut bread, and I forgot what else he was making with the bananas, but he was trying to use up the bananas, and he was in the kitchen, and when this happened, and I heard him try to call me, but it sounded muffled. So I went to see what was wrong with him, and blood was spewing, like it was like a faucet just coming out of his mouth, and he couldn't stop it. So of course, naturally, I had to call 911, and I did pretty good considering. I was very calm. I understood that I needed to be calm to provide the 911 operator with all the information that she needed to assess the situation. The ambulance came within minutes of that call. Actually, she never let me hang up the phone until they got there. And once they got there, then I hung up the phone, and then I was talking to the EMTs that were there. He went to the hospital, and they explained that first they were trying to assess what exactly happened, did the scans, figured out what happened, and then told him, well, we can send you home. We can keep you for 24 hours, send you home. And but the only thing is, if you cough, if you sneeze, if you blow your nose, like there were all these different things that could trigger the aneurysm or the bursting to occur again. And at first, we were like, okay. But then the nurse came in a couple hours later to check on Kingfish and to reiterate that if he can't like stop a cough, like which like when you think about it, sometimes when you have that tickle in your throat, how can you like muffle that? How can you stop a sneeze? Like, and it started to sink in, wait a minute, maybe I should consider the other option. The other option was the coil. So that's what he opted for. They put a coil on his artery, and that's what he has in his throat right now, on his artery. And it ruptured again while they were doing the surgery to put the coil in. So that's the second, like, unexpected near death, because most people who have a ruptured carotid artery, I believe the percentage was 95% die. The other 5% are left in a vegetative state. And here we are seeing Kingfish walking around, joking. And it's like, this man is a walking miracle. Like, truly he is. Now, fast forward to this time last year. It's been a year now. This time last year, Kingfish was yet again diagnosed with cancer, but this time it was colon cancer. And luckily they caught it early. And this time the doctor told me one-on-one, because Harry was still in the back. And when the doctor told me, for some reason I didn't panic. I didn't worry. I think it's because I actually have been so fortunate to see these miracles being performed. So I had a different type of calm with this cancer. So Harry had to have surgery, and they took out 1.5 feet of his colon, and he has been cleared of cancer after they did the screening and all that, after the surgery. So this is my short version, because Kingfish, Harry, he could give you a very long version, and it really would open up your eyes. But for the sake of time, for those of you that we get to meet in person, we will probably give you more details. But that's why this video is so special, and that's why I'm sharing certain things with you, just to give you a little insight into who Kingfish is and why he may act the way he does. Why is it he's always joking and so, like, he's been like this forever and a day, but even more so now after going through what he's gone through. And he has other testimonies that he could share with you, but this is just within the last 3 to 4 years. And he made 55. So can you imagine how many more stories he may have that would make you understand why he has so much joy? And also, his mom raised him right. Like, he knows Jesus, he knows God, and he is on fire for the Lord, and he will share with you just the I can't even get my words out now at this point, but you get it. I'm sure you understand. And I'm just amazed at what I've been able to witness, and I'm amazed with where we are right now, and I'm thankful and I'm grateful. And I think I should be quiet at this point, because that's all I need to say. This may be one part of a few parts for his birthday. I will attempt to put them together. So this is going to be my little project to try to do, because normally I just make videos with him in terms of, you know, I'm part of the video, but I don't necessarily do the editing and all that. So that's going to be interesting, but with time I'll learn. I'm on that learning curve. So thank you for taking out the time to watch the video, and I hope to see you again in the next few videos that I put out celebrating Kingfish and the life that he lives and the love that he gives. All right, talk to you later.
Happy birthday.
I'm sorry, not sorry that I made all of us cry. Um, but I just wanted to really celebrate Kingfish. He has been through so much, and in the short time that we have reconnected, his thing has always been to make me happy. You know, he's sacrifices so much for me. He sacrifices so much for others. He is a giver of love like no other that I have ever met. He has a really big heart, and a lot of you that know him personally, you know that. But I wanted to share that because I wanted a reminder and also just something to reflect on how precious life is. And that while you are in the living, forgive, let go, hug more, laugh more, give more, and be thankful and be grateful for each other, for one another, and take a moment to just love on one another. And Kingfish, I just want to say I love you. I appreciate you. And right now in this moment, I celebrate you for all that you are and all that you will be. I will be right there next to you, supporting you and lifting you up in prayer. So I hope all of you enjoyed this Queenfish production. This was maybe my third one, but it's been a while. So thank you for taking out the time to watch this to the end, and I appreciate all of you as well.